Let's take a quick look at how we can get this Polkadot Substrate starter project up and running. It indexes accounts, balances, and timestamp, and is typically used as a connectivity test and a template for creating other projects. Jumping into VS Code here, let's start this project by running subql init, and we'll call this, say, Polkadot demo. I'm going to select the various parameters and get this project up and running. Great, let's go now and cd into the project, and we'll install the dependencies with yarn install. Okay, next up, let's do a quick inspection of the quick three-step process, where the first file we'll look at is the schema file. This is where we can see the shape of our data. We've got some sample fields here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of different data types. And we'll understand what these are used for when we jump into the mapping file. But before we do that, let's jump into our manifest file, or the project.yaml file. And you can see here we've got the chain ID, we've got the endpoints that we're using, we've got the start block, and we've got some handlers with some filters as well. And as mentioned, let's jump into the third file here, the mapping handler file, where we can aggregate and transform our data. And you can see here we've got, for example, field 2, which is storing the account value. We've got field 3, which is storing the balance, and also field 4, which is storing the timestamp. So let's go ahead and run yarn code again to generate the types. We'll then go ahead and build the project as well. And then we can start the Docker container by running the yarn start docker command. While that is up and running, we'll go to our playground here. And I'm going to go to the README file and just copy out the sample query. And we'll just wait for the node to spin up. There we go. And we've got some information coming back. So you can see here, we've got a very quick indexing starter project up and running.